Hi everybody, very good morning. Hi Amrita, thank you for joining in. Just let me know if you're able to hear me well. Hi everyone, very good morning. Hi Lopa, I hope I'm very audible. I'm doing the live after a lot of days. Great, thank you so much. Hi Latika ji, very good morning. So nice to see you all lovely ladies. Thank you so much. Welcome everyone. This is Barkha Mahesh Bhatia and I welcome you all on the Mompreneur Circle page. So nice to see all the lovely ladies this morning, and I will not waste a lot of time, just give you a short introduction of myself and then we'll start the session today's topic. So my name is Barkha Mahesh Bhatia and I'm the founder of our healing center here in Mumbai. It's called Healing Hearts and Souls, and I am a Reiki master, a Lama Fera healer and teacher, and a switch words practitioner and an access bars practitioner as well. I also teach water therapy and practice Ujok therapy along with yoga, meditation, and also Bach flower remedies, and so I've got a few hats on my head. So thank you all. Welcome today morning. I know it's pretty early and everybody is still busy, but I hope today's session will be a good takeaway for you all. And do try to stay tuned in till the end of the session, because I would like to send out Reiki healings and blessings to all of you who is watching. So kindly stay on board, and even if you haven't seen the whole of the session, please come back and view the video, because the Reiki healings will pass on anytime you're watching this video. So after the session is also over, you can always log in and listen to it, and also share it with your family and friends and all those who need healings and prayers during these times. All right. Thank you so much. Okay, so today's topic is how do we restore our mental health and our emotional health, because we all are going through very trying times, being so much around. A lot of us have gone through tough times. It's with health issues, losing loved ones, and it is just overburdening on our emotional health and our mental health. No matter how much we try to be positive, and everybody tells us stay strong, be bold, be confident, everything, but deep inside our emotions and our mental health affect us, and we all know that our physical health also is just the last call of our soul, that it needs help. Yes. So just to briefly explain you how we work. The physical health is our physical body, right? So we are having 5 different layers of our aura and our body. So we have an energetic field and a magnetic field around us that we carry. Okay, so we have the 4 layers or koshas that you would like to call, and the 5th layer is our physical body. So when we are starting healing, especially those who are into the healing field, and a lot of you are also practicing some kind of healing modality, whether it is meditation, yoga, or you are even doing workouts, that itself is a healing modality. If you are doing exercise, you are doing walks, that itself is a healing activity that you are doing for yourself. So we have 5 layers and 5 koshas, and we have our energetic body that we carry around with us. Okay, so our energetic body is basically our vibration, our frequency, our memories, our thoughts, and our emotions. So spiritual body, we have an emotional body, we have a mental body, we have a psychological body, and then we have the last, that is our physical body that we see. Okay, the other 4 koshas are not seen, it's not visible to us. So whatever is going on in our mind, in our heart, our emotions, our mental balance, or the psychological effect these emotions have on us, is not visible by anyone. It's not that you can put a finger and say that's the pain there, that is my guilt there, that's my fear here, that's my sadness and that's my sorrow, वो हम फिंगर पॉइंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो अभी ये चीज़ें हम अपने आप में कैसे ठीक करेंगे? ओके, देर आर अ फ्यू थिंग्स दैट वी कैन डू. इट्स नॉट, आई नो this is such a vast topic and it's not possible to cover in the 30-minute session that we are having today, but I would like to leave a few tips that you all can use on a daily basis, at least to get yourself going. Okay. Yes, Amrita, very nice question and thank you for saying that. How do we there are a lot of people suffering and we always feel, because we all are in lockdown and we feel कि हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. Okay, physically lot of people are not, everybody cannot be a frontline worker, correct? Everybody has their limitations. Maybe you have the burden of your family, you have your loved ones to look after. Though you want to go out and help, you are not able to help. Okay, so in that case I would suggest all of you to do one big contribution that has amazing effects. Okay, even I have come across this question from children that, ma'am, if we see people dying around us, our grandparents or somebody has died, how do we deal with that? It is not easy. Even children get affected with these kind of scenarios, with these kind of things that they see around us. If you are not able to do anything for anybody in the physical, like you are not able to even help them monetary, do few things. Okay, talk to the person. Okay, tell them that I am there, call them up if you have to, speak to them for 10, 15, 30 minutes, whatever you feel like. Give them hope. Hope is what we are all surviving on. Get them connected to their own self. Bring them to help themselves so that they have faith in the universe, they have faith in the divine energy. If you are not able to do anything for anyone, very simple, sit down, even if it is for, just make sure that you are praying for them. Okay, it's very simple. You don't need to do any great yagnas or big puja part in the house. It's simple prayer, just simple prayer. Sit down in a corner in your house. If you want to fold your hands together, fold your hands, sit in a meditative pose, no problem, but just pray for those people. Even if you bring your hands together like this in front of you and you will allow, closing your eyes, just bring those people in between these hands, bring them in a golden light or a crystal ball. Just close your eyes and imagine them, bring them in the ball in front of you. Imagine all those people who need help. It's not necessary you need to know them, whoever it is. With the power of your hands and your prayers, just bring the divine energy and project it on that particular golden ball or a crystal ball that you have created in between your hands. Pray for them. Just pray. Whatever it is, bless them. That I am, dear God, I am asking for blessings. Thank you for providing everything that you have given me till today. I am not able to help these people. Please, I ask you to send them the support that they need, send them the resources that they need. I'm sending them prayers and healings, that they are abundant, they are restored, they are reviving their health. That way you can pray for the people. If you know the people who need help, whether they are from your family or friends, just take their names. Just take their names and start praying for them. I am telling you, you will see miracles. Those people will get help in time. You are not Superman and Superwoman, right? Nor are you having the infinite ability of God, right? The divine energy can reach wherever it wants. It is just the power of our intention that we need to use. So anytime you feel I am helpless, don't feel that. The power of prayers, the blessings that you give to others is more powerful than you can even imagine. So try to do that. Bless yourself, bless the people that you hear of. Everybody is in part of so many WhatsApp groups. Every day you are seeing in the morning, you get up, somebody or the other is asking for oxygen cylinders, somebody is asking for bed space. I know we don't have that connections that we can help the person, though we want to, but can we pray for it? Can we ask the divine energy, can you please go and send this person help? And that person will receive help. It is only a matter of your intention. You don't need to know how your prayer is showing the result. The universe will show you. The universe will show you the effect, that this is the effect of your prayer. Okay, so thank you, Amrita. That was a fantastic question that you asked. How do you calm yourself and how do you heal them? It is by prayers. You don't need to be a healer. You don't need to have any qualification of healing as well. Healing only starts with your intention. The intention in your heart, the most purest form, the most unconditional love that you can give to others, is the best form of healing. Till you don't have it in your heart, it's not going to work. Even if it is for yourself, for your family members, you are seeing the children around you, people, thinking so many negative things. Make it a practice in your house. Okay, let's all of us sit and pray. Make it a fixed time if you want to, कि चलो शाम को इतने बजे दिया करेंगे और हम 5-10 मिनट के लिए प्रे करते हैं. कुछ नहीं करना है, आंखें बंद करके बैठिए. जो भी आपके मन में आता है, जिस पर्सन की भी शक्ल आती है, नाम आता है, उसको ब्लेस करो, उसके लिए प्रे करो, अपने लिए करो, अपने फैमिली वालों के लिए करो. ठीक है. सो दिस इज वन थिंग दैट यू कैन डू. Every time you are sitting for prayer or meditation on any exercises that you are doing, अगर आप खाना बनाने भी शुरू करते हो तो एक gratitude का keep a attitude of gratitude. ठीक है. हमारा जो नज़रिया है वो thankfulness का ही होना चाहिए. जब हम खाना बनाते हैं हमारे घर में, a lot of people who are falling sick and everybody is restoring, है ना, रिकवर कर रहे हैं हम लोग. तो जब भी हम खाना बनाते हैं, ठीक है, उस टाइम पे आप कोई एक मंत्र अपने मन में बोलते जाइए, या तो आप एक साउंड अपने फ़ोन पे ऑन कर दीजिए, कोई भी मंत्र जो आपको अच्छा लगता है. यू कैन पुट इट ऑन वाइल यू आर कुकिंग. नो, इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग ऑफ दिस नेगेटिव थॉट्स, कीप ब्लेसिंग द फूड व्हेन यू आर कुकिंग. कोई भी एक मंत्र आप चलाइए, गायत्री मंत्र हो, महामृत्युंजय हो, आप हनुमान चालीसा सुन रहे हो, आप क्रिश्चियनिटी से हो, आप सिख हो, ईसाई हो, कोई भी हो, आप मुस्लिम हो, एवरी वन हैज़ देयर ओन वर्सेस, एवरी वन हैज़ देयर ओन हिम्स, देयर प्रेयर्स. वो आप चलाइए. जब आप खाना बना रहे हो, जब भी आप कटिंग कर रहे हो, वॉशिंग कर रहे हो, या इवन आप वो कंचे चला रहे हो, आप आटा गूंद रहे हो, मन में वही रखना है. जैसे मैं ये खाना बना रही हूँ, एज आई एम कुकिंग, I am blessing my food with health, good health, prosperity, joy, happiness, love, and blessings. That whoever consumes this food is healthy and their health is restored. This is the way you will bless. हम लोग इतना नेगेटिव को एनर्जी देते हैं, तो थोड़ा पॉजिटिव को भी दे दीजिए. आप खाना कितनी बार बनाते हैं दिन में? 3-4 बार तो बनाते ही होंगे. बच्चे हैं तो 6 बार समझ लीजिए कि नाश्ता चाहिए, ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए, जूस चाहिए, दूध चाहिए. ये चालू रहता है सारा दिन, है कि नहीं? हम लोग ऐसे लाइक अ 24 आवर्स किचन इज रनिंग, ऐसे लगता है कभी कभी. तो दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू डू. ब्लेस द फूड, ब्लेस द वाटर. आप जब भी अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक दिस इज यू आर हैविंग अ वाटर बॉटल, ओके, उसको आप ग्लास को ऐसे पकड़ के पानी को ब्लेस करो. आप बच्चों को दूध दे रहे हो, जूस दे रहे हो, 30 सेकेंड्स भी नहीं लगते, 1 मिनट भी नहीं लगता उसको ब्लेस करने के लिए. ब्लेस करो एंड गिव देम टू हैव. आई टेल यू द रिकवरी रेट इन योर हाउस विल बी सो फास्ट, यू विल बी अमेज्ड. इफ यू इमेजिन यू डू दिस ब्लेसिंग 6 times in a day to the food that you are making. इमेजिन, दवाई से ज़्यादा तो आपकी दुआ काम करेगी. तो वॉट एवर इट इज़, इवन अगर आप मेडिसिन खा रहे हो तो मेडिसिन को भी ब्लेस करो. होल्ड इट इन योर हैंड्स. अभी जैसे ये मेडिसिन की बॉटल है, ठीक है, ये होम्योपैथी की मेडिसिन है, उसको हाथ में आप ऐसे होल्ड करो. आई एम ब्लेसिंग दिस मेडिसिन विथ रिकवरी, रेस्टोरेशन एंड रिवाइवल ऑफ हेल्थ. आई एम कंज्यूमिंग इट, देन दैट आई एम रिसीविंग ऑल द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ दिस मेडिसिन and I am healthy and fine all over again. And I have reconciled, my body is reconciled to the original DNA. My body, mind and soul is in alignment. Best thing to do. So there is no, don't, if you have negative, इतना negative आपके उसमें है, उसको switch कीजिए. switch the negative to positive. Immediately start blessing. घर में इतने जन सब रहते हैं साथ में, तू में होती है, आर्ग्यूमेंट होती है, नेगेटिव वाइब्स होते हैं, कुछ नहीं है. पानी का ग्लास लो, एक मंत्र जाप कर लो आप सुबह को, पानी का ग्लास ऐसे लेके बैठो अपने साथ, हो गया आपका चैंटिंग. वही पानी को सारे घर में स्प्रिंकल कर दो और सबको एक एक चम्मच दे दो पानी पीने के लिए. आप जैसे खाना ब्लेस करते हो, अपना पानी भी जो पीते हो, जूस पीते हो, चाय पीते हो, उसको ब्लेस करो. I'm telling you, you will see so many of changes. I'm not telling this something different. This is exactly what I do in my house. This is exactly what I do. So it's not and I've seen it working. I have seen it working miraculously. Means जिन लोगों को मैंने बोला भी है, उन्होंने कभी मेरी क्लास भी नहीं की है, they have still come out with 100% results. 100%. Okay? So gratitude. बी थैंकफुल फॉर वॉट एवर यू आर गेटिंग. आपके घर में ग्रॉसरीज आती हैं, आपके घर पे रोज़ सामान डिलीवर होता है, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हो, जब भी शॉपिंग करते हो, बिल भरते हो ना, थैंक यू गॉड बोलो. थैंक यू फॉर द मनी, थैंक यू दैट आई हैव बीन एबल टू ऑर्डर सो मच ऑफ फूड फॉर माई सेल्फ. पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग फूड, पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग मेडिसिन्स, पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग ट्रीटमेंट्स. सो वॉट एवर यू आर गेटिंग, बी थैंकफुल. एवरी टाइम यू पे योर बिल, से थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. That's it. You have to be grateful. Otherwise, how are the things going to come to you? You have so much of negativity in you. Can you just switch it to positivity? Yeah. So the next thing, so when you're doing your gratitude, combine it with your prayers, how you bless your food and water daily. This helps to remove the negative energies even in yourself, in your surroundings. You can do small things in your house. Keep salt in corners of your room. Okay, you can keep कपूर. सबके घर में कपूर होता है, नहीं है तो देखो, अगर आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हो ऑनलाइन, कपूर लेके उसको छोटे छोटे कटोरी में आप उसको रख सकते हो. मैंने भी इधर ही रखे हैं अपने ऑफिस में. सो स्मॉल छोटे कांच की कटोरी में या मिट्टी के दिए आते हैं छोटे से, उसमें आप कपूर डाल दो. अगर आपको उसको बर्न करना है तो एवरी इवनिंग बिफोर सनसेट यू कैन बर्न इट. इट रिमूव्स द नेगेटिव एनर्जीज. तो कपूर आप रख सकते हो. ठीक है. सी देर इज व्हेन यू आर डूइंग प्रेयर्स, नो, आई सजेस्ट पीपल ऑलवेज टू कंबाइन प्रेयर एंड मेडिटेशन टुगेदर. हम प्रेयर करते हैं ना, जब भी इट्स लाइक यू आर टॉकिंग टू गॉड, है ना. व्हेन यू आर प्रेइंग टू गॉड, वी आर टेलिंग हिम थैंक यू. से थैंक यू फॉर थिंग्स दैट हैव नॉट इवन बीन डन. इट इज़ अ टेक्निक आई एम टेलिंग यू. अगर आपको कोई चीज़ चाहिए और वो हुई नहीं है अभी तक, लेकिन उसके लिए थैंक यू पहले से ही बोल दो. दैट मीन्स इट इज़ ऑलरेडी डन. ओके, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ डन. सो लीव इट एंड लेट गॉड डू इट फॉर यू. सो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग प्रेयर्स, वी आर टॉकिंग टू गॉड, वी आर टेलिंग गॉड दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव. Yes, Neha ji, you're right. You can do that also. You can bless the water and pour it in the मटका. आपके घर में जो मटका है या जो जग पानी का सब लोग पी रहे हैं ना, उसमें वो पानी आप मिला सकते हो. That is also very good idea. You can do that. वही टाइम पे अगर आप देते हो तो वो ज़्यादा बेटर है. अगर जो बचा रहता है पानी, वो आप मटके में मिक्स कर दीजिए. But ideal this thing is to do when you are finishing your chanting, immediately that water you can give everyone, just 1 spoon, no, just put it, चम्मच से लेके उनके मुंह में सीधा डाल दीजिए. जो घर में रिकवर कर रहे हैं, lot of people are restoring and recovering from COVID also, you can give the blessed water to them. ठीक है. और so that is one. So what I was saying was, prayer जब भी आप करते हो, you are telling God what you want, right? But when you do meditation, it is what God wants you to do. So always try to combine these two things together. अगर आप prayer करते हो, follow the prayer with meditation. Meditation में क्या होता है, हम अपने thoughts को slow down करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Thoughts बंद नहीं होते हैं, उसको बहुत time लगता है. तो what we are trying to do in meditation is always concentrate on your breath, on your breathing. We are only trying to reduce. We are not reducing it. We are just trying to reduce the speed of thoughts that come in the mind. Slowly with practice, what happens is the speed of the thoughts become मीन्स एक थॉट और दूसरे थॉट के बीच में जो गैप है वो बढ़ता जाता है. तो स्लोली यू फील दैट यू हैव बिकम थॉटलेस. हम लोग ह्यूमंस हैं और हमारे माइंड में एनर्जेटिकली बहुत सारे चीज़ें चलते रहती हैं. तो वो लेवल पहुंचने के लिए थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस भी लगता है और थोड़ा सा टाइम भी लगता है. बट रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस से एटलीस्ट आपके जो थॉट्स की गति है, जो स्पीड है, वो कम होते जाएगी. जब भी हम मेडिटेशन करते हैं तो वी रिसीव इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्स. we receive directions, we receive intuitions from the universe, what we are supposed to do. Sometimes we are confused, we don't know the answer. Ask for the answer. It might not come in your meditation, but it will just pop up in front of you and you'll say, oh, that's a good idea, I can do that. So there you get your answer. तो ये दो चीज़ें हमेशा आप ट्राई कीजिए कि आप कंबाइन कर सकते हो. ऑलवेज मेडिटेशन के बाद जस्ट ट्राई टू फॉलो इट विथ, आई मीन प्रेयर के बाद फॉलो इट विथ मेडिटेशन. सो दिस इज वर्क्स वेरी वेल. I mean, I have seen it working for myself. Not necessarily I get the answer during meditation. It even pops up in my sleep and sometimes I just get up, oh, that's a good idea. And you know, वो fear कभी होता है कि मैं सुबह तक भूल जाऊंगी, तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, अपने फ़ोन पे नोट लिख देती हूँ ये चीज़ के बारे में, तो मैं सुबह को उठ के भूल न जाऊँ. So these are small things that you can do. Okay. Other than that, thank you, Trupti. Thank you so much. So, other than that, you can do chanting. Okay, whenever you are having anybody who is falling sick, or even for yourself, you are having too much of fear, too much of anxiety, too much of stress, इतना नेगेटिव अगर कुछ ज़्यादा हो जाता है ना, तो थोड़ी देर के लिए डिटॉक्स कर लो. ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिटॉक्स. आपका फ़ोन बंद कर दो थोड़े घंटे के लिए, टीवी बंद कर दीजिए, रेडियो ये वो सब चीज़ें थोड़ी देर बंद कर दीजिए. यू नो, जस्ट इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी यू नीड टू बी अपडेटेड विद ऑल द न्यूज़. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी. एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग. येस, इट्स गुड टू नो, इट्स गुड टू बी अपडेटेड, but don't let it override your daily life. You have to keep yourself focused because you also have yourself and your family to look after. Because one person starts becoming too negative, then it starts floating in the house, you know, एक से दूसरे का, तो सबका वो like वो collective cluster हो जाता है. तो as much as possible try to stay positive. I know it's very difficult and it is not possible. I also have gone through it. Sometimes you are in that panic state and you just need one person who can ground you and bring you down. Thankfully my family does that. My sisters and all, they, you know, just relax. Everyone just relax हो जाओ. तो कभी कभी हम लोग भी healing करते हैं. You cannot be perfect all the time. So when अपने ऊपर बीतती तो हमको पता है, लेकिन I know when I have so many requests coming from my students and my clients also, even if it is sometimes even late in the night, 11:30, मेरे से resist नहीं होता है, and I get shoutings also for that why are you talking and chatting with people in the night. And but when I see the message, you know, कि अरे this one is not well and all, तो मुझे ऐसे obligation लगता है कि I have to reply to this person, and I don't think that person has the patience to wait till 9 o'clock in the morning. So yes, I sometimes break my own rules. Okay, so chanting. Okay, I will give you all a mantra if you all can note it down. I'll share the link also below in the comments once I'm done, and I'll send you all the energy circle also for the mantra. You all can do the chanting of Kunjita Padam Saranam. You can do it for yourself. You can do it for others, for your family members. Whenever you're doing for others, please do for one person at a time. Don't do a collective chanting. एक जन के लिए अलग अलग chanting कीजिए 108 times. Kunjita Padam Saranam is a healing mantra. It has nothing to do with religion. आप कौन से भी religion से हैं, it is going to work anyways. It is just a switch word phrase. Only thing is it is in a different language and it's not in English. Okay, I think a lot of you who are from the south will know this mantra. It's a healing herb. Okay, so you can do Kunjitapadam Saranam 108 times. Take the glass of water next to you, chant, and then use that glass of water to drink yourself and to give to other people in the house. And you can use the same water in your cooking also, not a problem. It will still work. Okay, so chanting. If you anytime have any issues with too much of negativity, too much of emotional setback, I know a lot of people have also gone through losing their loved ones. I had last few days, there was younger kids, not kids, I can say younger people like in their 20s and you know just out of college, बेचारे अभी भी जॉब लगी है उनकी and they've lost their dads or mom. तो they are like अभी उसमें से हम अच्छा क्या निकालें, you know. तो उनके लिए मेरे को it is very saddening. It's very, I mean there is no words, you cannot say कि how that person is feeling when you're leaving a love. It's undescribable. उसको आप कितना भी आश्वासन दोगे वो उसको उसकी फीलिंग्स थमने वाली नहीं है. उनके लिए मेरे पास एक ही बात है उनको बोलने के लिए, that please pray for your loved ones who have passed away. Whatever it is, if you want to take 30 days, 40 days, 50 days, 60 days, your mourning period का कोई टाइम नहीं होता है, frankly speaking. लेकिन आप जब भी उनको ब्लेस करोगे ना, उनका सोल विल बी एट पीस, दे विल रेस्ट हैप्पी. And frankly speaking, they don't like us to cry. Okay, they don't like us to be sad. So bless them. Bless them. Remember them for the good things they have done with you, and talk to them as if they are in front of you. And जो आपको बोलना है बोल दीजिए उनको. Anyways, they are listening to you. They are in the energetic realm, so they are even more closer to you, right? So this is a very good technique. That it's not a technique, but it will, yes, I can, if you say in terms, it is a technique. It is a very good method to stay connected with them. Okay, and revive yourself in the process. Don't feel guilty about it कि maybe I should have done this or that and all. उनके लिए chant करो, pray करो, उनको bless करो, and that they have a fulfilling journey ahead. They have done a great service to the community, to humanity. During their presence, they have blessed the family, they have blessed you. तो उनको भी blessings चाहिए, उनके soul को भी blessing चाहिए. Even if it is your parents, even if they are with you, no, bless your parents also. आशीर्वाद दो उनको ऐसे. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि बड़े ही हमको आशीर्वाद दे, हमको भी उनको देना चाहिए. आपको पता नहीं है कि आप ओल्ड सोल हो कि वो ओल्ड सोल है. तो ऐसे नहीं है कि किसी को आशीर्वाद की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, बड़ों को भी आशीर्वाद की ज़रूरत होती है. तो माँ बाप के ऊपर भी कभी भी ना आशीर्वाद का हाथ रख दिया करो, बहुत अच्छा लगता है उनको भी. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ वन थिंग यू कैन डू. अनदर थिंग आई वुड सजेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल इज़ आस्क फॉर हेल्प. हम लोग इतना ईगो में अपने चले जाते हैं ना कि हम लोग हेल्प के लिए नहीं मांगते हैं. सो लुक अराउंड फॉर योर सेल्फ. इफ़ यू हैव लव्ड वंस, यू हैव अ फ्रेंड, anyone that you can rely on who can help you to ground yourself, ask for help. If you don't have anybody, please look out for a good community group or a women's group if you are comfortable with, and join them. That can help you to boost your morale. Whoever is the admin of that group or community, speak to them that this is what I'm going through, I need little support. I'm sure you will receive it. God has always said, ask and you shall receive. So if we don't ask, how do you expect to receive it? If you all still feel that you have not found your kind of a circle, do let me know. You are most welcome to join our Healing Hearts group on Telegram and Facebook. अगर आपको positivity और अच्छा लगना है, you just need a little bit of good, people to push you and all, then you are most welcome to join. But yes, it's always good to have a community around you because we are social people. And community support is now, of course, in these times we have seen that we cannot do it alone. We are in this all together. Okay. Another thing that we all can, I have come across a lot of people asking कि हम लोग अकेले हो जाते हैं. There are a lot of people who are seniors and they are alone at home, and maybe some of them are separated from their children and they are still feeling alone at home during these tough times. How do you cope with that? Start rebuilding a purpose in your life. I'm sorry, we are already almost run out of time, but I'm going to take 5-10 minutes because I've not finished what I wanted to say. So keep a purpose in your life. Okay, it could be feeding animals, birds, keeping just water for the birds outside, for the animals, or even if you know any particular skill, revive it. Even if it's just sketching a square and a triangle the whole day through on a blank piece of paper, it's totally fine, but just do it. It has nothing to do with age. कि अगर मैं तो अभी मेरी इतनी उम्र हो गई है, मेरी उम्र थोड़ी है कि ड्राइंग करूं बैठ के, या मैं कलरिंग करूं बैठ के, या मैं स्टिचिंग करूं. जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, स्टार्ट दैट स्मॉल लिटिल एक्टिविटी एट होम विल रियली रिवाइव योर इनर बीइंग. इट विल ब्रिंग योर फोकस टू दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग एंड इट विल स्टॉप द वॉन्डरिंग ऑफ योर थॉट्स. आपके जो इधर उधर दिमाग भाग रहा है ना, वो थम जाएगा, एक ही स्टेशन पे आ जाएगा. So whatever it is, even if it is a skill you already know, you want to learn a new skill कि इतने टाइम से मैंने कभी कुछ सीखा नहीं है. I know learning a skill during a time when you are going through sorrow is a very funny thing. People say अरे ये क्या, कोई ये टाइम थोड़ी है कोई नई चीज़ सीखने के लिए. एक्चुअली वही टाइम है नई चीज़ सीखने के लिए, क्योंकि वो आपको डीफोकस करता है. It will help you to move from the negative to the positive. Bring a purpose in your life. If you can't do anything, just feed the birds. आप अपने लिए चावल बनाते हो ना, थोड़े एक्स्ट्रा चावल बना के कटोरी लेके खड़े हो जाओ बालकनी और विंडो में बर्ड्स को खिलाने के लिए. पानी की बॉटल लेके एक छोटे से प्लेट में पानी रखो एंड जस्ट वॉच हाउ मेनी बर्ड्स आर कमिंग इन, वॉट ईटिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग इन योर बालकनी नियर योर विंडो. These are small things that you can have a purpose, even if it is, that every day, daily at 9 o'clock, I'm going to get up and feed the birds. Or every day, 9 o'clock in the morning and 5 o'clock in the evening, I'm going to feed the birds and animals. It's a purpose. Even they need, your presence in life, correct? There's a contributing. You're contributing to Mother Nature. How else are you going to give back to Mother Nature? You're looking after its beings, That is the way we look after each other. So even they want to be fed, they also need clean fresh water, right? So these are small things that you can do. Okay, so I'm done now, and I'm going to just do 2 minutes of Reiki blessings for all of you. If you all would like to just quickly sit down in a nice comfortable position, and I would just do the Reiki blessings for all of you. If you would like to repeat the same thing in your mind or out loud, you're most welcome to do that. And so okay everyone, let's get ready. Sit down in a nice comfortable position. Make sure your back is straight and your shoulders are upright like this. Don't slouch. Just try to sit back completely. Relax your body. You can fold your legs, or if you're sitting on a chair, you can place your feet on the ground and keep your hands open in front of you like this. All right, and close your eyes and just give me the permission to give you blessings and healings. And I will just be starting with a short prayer. If you would like to repeat the same thing in your mind. Dear God, creator of the universe, ascended masters, past masters, spiritual guides, Holy Spirit, the Jesus in me and the Buddha in me, I thank you all for your love, light, healings, blessings and grace on me. I thank all archangels, angels and fairies who have contributed and helped me in my journey. I thank myself, my parents, my spouse, my children, and my family for their presence in my life. I thank all my teachers, my gurus in my life who have blessed me with knowledge and enlightenment. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Keeping your eyes closed and relaxing your body, take a few deep breaths, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Continue to breathe normally as you would during the day. Just visualize yourself being covered in a golden crystal ball, covering you and your energetic field around your body. This golden ball is completely covering your body from all directions. You are now receiving the blessings from the universe. See the golden light from this ball concentrating into your open hands in front of you. Start receiving the blessings, healings, complete restoration, prosperity, abundance, love, joy, happiness. As this golden light is falling on your hands, it's slowly passing on and covering the whole of your body, receiving all the blessings from the universe and removing all the negative thoughts, emotions and feelings. Okay, thank you very much everyone, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you for joining the session, and I'm sorry that we have taken extra 5 to 10 minutes to complete the session, and I hope you all can leave your comments below. I will be sharing the mantra below in the comment box, and I look forward to hearing the feedback. If any one of you needs support emotionally or mentally, you want to stay positive and connected, please do get in touch with me. And you are already a part of a beautiful group which is Mompreneur Circle. Latika ji is here with her team, who definitely is so supportive to all of us. So thank you very much, and blessings to all of you on this beautiful blessed day, and take care of yourself and happy healing. Take care. Bye bye.